Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassandra. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this false eyes makeup. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. This is my first YouTube video, so I'm still a little bit camera shy. If I look a little bit awkward, here's why. I promise I will do better in my next one. And sorry in advance for the construction noise in the background. I'll make sure this won't happen again. I already did one side off camera. Look how big of a difference it makes. My natural eyes are really round and droopy, where the sides way more lifted. Even though it's called false eyes makeup, the way you do your brows make such a huge difference. So I'm going to start by doing my brows. When I first started doing this false eyes trend, I shaved the very end of my brows. I like how it looks with makeup. I didn't like how it looks without makeup because it looks like I don't have brows. So what I do now is to pluck a little bit of the end of my brows and trim them a little bit shorter. It's really important to brush them up with a soap, especially when you don't want to shape your brows, because it really lifts them up. So I just wet the soap, and then I'm going to take this spoolie and take the soap and I don't know how you call it, gel them up. Usually I would have to do them multiple times until they get to the point where I want them to be. Just brush them up. I'm happy with how it looks now, so I'm going to stop right here. And then you can just fill in your brows like how you usually do. I usually use a pomade, but today I feel like using a brow pencil, so I'm just going to use this ColourPop brow pencil. Remember, it's really important to brush up the very tail of your brows, because that's the part where it's pointing downward, and we want to brush them up. And I like to extend the tail a little bit, because after I brush them up, they just look shorter, if that makes sense. I drew this side way longer than the other side for some reason. But anyways, I always clean my brows with a little bit of concealer, pulling the part where I need it. And sometimes I feel like there's like a gap between my actual tail and my fake tail, so I will make sure you fill them and brush them up. I normally don't have problems matching the two brows, but I'm really struggling today. I'm just going to stop it right here because I feel like it's not going to get any better. So now let's move on to the eyes. I'm just going to use a little bit of translucent powder to set my eyelids. I'm going to start by applying a light brown color into my crease. And when I apply my crease color, I try to bring them up a little instead of applying on my actual crease, because my brow bone is literally like here, so we want to lift our eyelids up. This step is not really essential, but I always apply a shimmer color on my lids, so I'm just going to apply it over my lid. Now for this part, I'm going to struggle a lot since we're going to draw eyeliners. For my other eye, I did it for 3 times literally, so I hope I could do it just once this time. I realized it's better for me to zoom in a little bit, so here I am. Also, I'll be doing voiceover for this part. I always start by drawing a straight line for my wing liner. Then I draw another line creating like a triangle shape. It's really hard for me to draw eyeliner since my eyes aren't hooded, but they're hooded at the end and at the front. See how much skin got eaten up by the eyelid since my brow bone is literally right here. It really took me a while to figure out how to draw eyeliners on my eyes. I'm still not good at it, but I'm trying to show you what I do. Also, I'm using a brown liner instead of a black one. I've always used a black one before I got this one, so just feel free to do whatever you like. Just keep repeating the process by thickening the top and the bottom of the wing liner, and don't forget to check how they look throughout the process by looking up straight, because they could look very different when you're looking down versus when you look up. I'm happy with how it looks now, so I'm gonna stop right here. And next I'm going to apply inner corner highlight. Now it's time for inner corner liner. You want to draw it a little bit lower than your actual inner corner, and along with the wing liner, it's going to achieve the illusion that your eyes are upturned. I just finished drawing the inner corner liner. I feel like what makes the biggest difference is definitely the eyeliner. Now I'm going to put some brown liner in my lower waterline. This step is not necessary, it's just how I always do my makeup. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. And time for mascara. If you like to apply falsies, definitely choose something that's longer in the outer corner. If you choose something that's longer in the middle, it's gonna make your eye shape look even rounder. Just gonna apply mascara on my bottom lashes while I'm waiting for lash glue to dry. And for lashes, sometimes I like to apply the outer corner a little bit higher than my actual lash line. And you're done. When the trend first came in, I wasn't really able to do it because my eyes are super droopy, but here I am. Look how much it changed my eye shape. So if I could do it, you could do it too. I hope you guys like it and learned something. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.